I met Frank at a bar and he looked like he'd lost everything. Turns out, he really had. Literally. I've misplaced my entire inheritance, he mumbled into his whiskey. A massive family fortune, gone. I leaned closer. How do you lose an inheritance? Frank's eyes got wild. Mathematical impossibility, right? But I did it. Bet you can't guess how. Challenge accepted. Did you gamble it away? Nope. Invest in crypto? Worse. He pulled out a tiny origami crane from his pocket, carefully unfolded it. Inside was a microscopic note written in impossibly tiny handwriting. My great-grandfather was a magician, Frank explained, obsessed with miniaturization. He encoded the entire family fortune's location in this single piece of paper. Coordinates, bank details, everything. I stared. And I sneezed. Suddenly, the paper disappeared, blown away, disintegrated, vanished into thin air. Frank downed his drink. 5 generations of wealth, obliterated by one involuntary respiratory explosion. The bartender rolled his eyes. Another? Frank nodded. Definitely.